Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create the substance outfit, the one Sue wears on Dress to Impress. It's not going to be an exact replica because I cannot for the life of me make the stomach have like a slit, I guess. But for the hair, I will be using this one, and I'm just going to color my hair like that, and I might add this as well, or is it this? Okay, this one, sorry. And that's for the hair. For the outfit, I will be using the Sabrina Carpenter corset. I use this for everything, I swear. Change the toggle to the second one, and then you are going to make the material metallic or light silk. And you're just going to color it this color, and the second color the color of your skin tone. Then for the top, we are going to use this one, and we're going to color it the same metallic color like so. I know there's like a slit there, but like honestly this works. If you want to try to cover it up, you could, but it's very hard to do. Anyways, once you're done with that, for the legs, you will need the leg warmers. I think they're from Codes, if I'm not mistaken. Let me find it first. There we go. And I'm going to color it this kind of orange color. And then for the shoes, I'm just going to wear the sneakers in white. Don't know why I press on that. So I'm just going to make everything white here. So yeah, that is how you can create Sue on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.